first domain. Root domain, root forest, or we can say like first forest, first domain, or first domain of the first forest, second domain of the first forest. In that way, I'm mistaken. Whenever it comes first, those are called as root. This is called as root. Okay, now okay. Now here what we are going to do it here. Here we are going to create a one domain, and the same time we will create a one domain controller. Okay, this is the domain controller. Okay, now we are going to create a member. Consider this is the one IT company where the multiple users are consider. Okay, each one we are creating an user account here. Like either you can create like a IT01, IT02, IT03. So what they are going to do it now, they'll be going to logging into the this computer, this server. They are accessing it. Everybody is accessing means what? Four users we are going to create. No matter whether the user account created in anywhere, by default they can able to access in or log into the any of the four computers. This is how the company environment works. If the any employee joined to the company means first they will create a user account for them, then only their other accounts will get associated. Other account means what? If they are belong to sales department, they will associate some sales related accounts with them. Then those associated accounts will be created later, but first the user account will be created by the IT team. So your IT team, you are creating an account. Okay. Now this is how. Now what we are going to do? We are creating one computer machine. Anyway, we are created a user account. What is the user account name? What is the user account name that we have created? The user account name is IT01. For your reference, I don't want IT01. I want to give a name. Okay, you can give like a Bharat. You can give a name in that way. So whatever user account names I'm going to create here, there will be name is there. These are like user account, or like we say like a domain users, because these are access anywhere in the domain users. Okay, I'm going to create a name. I'm going to create the names. What are the names? Consider they are the Bharat underscore IT means he is a belongs to IT team. One more like a Shashank, or like a Jitender underscore HR. For example, Viva underscore, we can say like finance, or consider Kumar, sorry, not Kumar, Krishna underscore sales. So four users I can create. So first name I'll keep like Bharat, last name I'll keep like IT. Any name you can give. Format would be differ from the each company. So when we create a four user account, it means that these four users can log into any of the computers. Now what we are going to do it as a lab point. So this is the one server machine we created. We'll create one more server machine that is also installed with Windows Server only. And we'll create one more machine as Windows Server only. So what we are going to do, we'll create these four user accounts. Everybody, Kumar, including you, you create these four accounts. Who are else here apart from Jitender?
Okay, sir.
Sadiq is there, no? Sadiq.
Sadiq.
Okay. And how about who are the other guys here? Satishka is there. Okay. Okay, Chetan is there, Satya. Okay, okay. You are also part of that. Okay, I will what I'll do. Satiska, what's your spelling? Well, K. Okay, Satiska. I'll make a like a team part of um, operations. OPR. Consider OPR means operations. Okay. Next, who is this? Chetan. Chetan, I'll make him as a part of which are the other department? Marketing, MKTG. Kumar, you create all these users,
Me also, sir,
In
Sanjay.
domain, sir.
including Sanjay is there, no? Sanjay, I'll make him like IT department.
In domain, I can create, sir.
In
Like
domain users, you create all the six users. Everybody, you create all the six users.
what I created IT one user one, like that only
Ah,
I can create,
correct,
sir.
correct. IT01 is a sample.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you create these all six users.
Okay, sir. Okay. Can I create now, sir?
And I will create two extra computers here. So everybody's all the six users are accessing the same domain. If you are not able to understand, do one thing first to create the user account, you'll get the difference later. And see how you have to spend time. First, you create a user account. Sorry, this system. First, you create a server. Anyway, it will take some time to create the server. During that time, you create these user accounts. Anybody have any questions so far? If you cannot create a like a long like a finance or sale, you can use short name. If Fin, you can use SIM. Just finance department. Understood. Who are here? Can you just respond here? Biba, are you here? मैडम तो चले गए ठीक है बाकी हाउ अबाउट अदर सतीश का सादिक आर यू हियर
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are here.
आर यू क्रिएटिंग अकाउंट विभा
Yes, actually, I'm doing after class, like when I'm getting time, that time I'm doing.
ओके ओके फाइन हाउ अबाउट अदर्स
Yes, sir.
okay
I'm here.
see if you are doing a live do one thing if you cannot create all six users right now you create two user accounts for your reference. Here kumar.com I have not created any account because Kumar Infotech is he's the admin of that particular team. So others are all like a team member. In that way, you create your for example, if you are creating a domain name, you can give for example krishna.com or chetan.com and make the other members as like a team members or a domain users. Or else you can give some generic name IT01, IT02, Sales01, Sales02, HR01, HR02. You can give some those generic names also acceptable.
I'm creating, sir. Let me do.
Okay. Don't spend time only creating user account. First you create server machine. Parallelly you have to do it because server machine will take some time to just create or login. I will give generic name IT001. IT002. Sorry, I have created 01. No? 01. You can give some general name like sales 01, sales 02, HR01. You can give any name, generic name or like a specific name. That's fine. That's all left to you. This is what our notes. Wait, इधर गया. Music folder, evening batch. Did you create the one more server machine, Kumar? Anyone?
I'm trying, sir. I'm trying, sir.
Trying.
I'm doing.
Krishna, did you create the server machine?
Yeah, we create. Just give us a couple of seconds.
Yeah, creating, sir.
Who is creating? Sadiq, did you create?
Just give us a second, sir.
Whoever is created, share the screen. You let me know. You just raise your hand so that I will able to understand. Chetan, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರನ್ರಿ?
Sir, I am in office, sir. I am just watching.
No, you are just watching. Okay. Okay, ठीक है.
I will do after.
Okay, Satishka, how about you?
Sir, I am sharing. Kindly give me the access.
No, you access. Okay, thank you. 1 minute. I'll stop sharing.
Okay.
Done. Server machine first it should be ready. Ready means how does it? You have to create a user account. You should log into that server machine. This is your local machine. Open okay GCP window. This is not the way we are going to access. Cancel karo. Open that RDC man folder. Where is the RDC man? Where is the server machine? First one folder open karo. First one. Okay. Double click on that first one RDC man. Open it. Launch it. Go to the file tab. Okay, click on save. New. Click on new. Okay. Now you give the name as Windows Server. Win Server Lab. Win SRV Lab. Win SRV Lab. Okay. Save. Okay. First one you remove it. RDC Windows Server. Right click RDC Windows Server. Click and left. Right click. Anything is happening?
Yes, sir. Just give me the. Not.
Okay, if it is not happening, forget, leave that. Later part, come back to your Windows Server Lab. Okay, now click, see in your computer whether this Windows Server Lab one machine is showing under music folder. Outside. It's showing. Okay, great. Okay, now leave it. Fine. Now come back to your Windows Server remote desktop console. Okay, right click on that Windows Server Lab. Right click. Add server. Right click of the mouse.
Just connect.
Add server. Where is the server machine public IP, external IP address? Here you have to type, or here you have to copy paste. Here is Sanjay Singh. आपके बाजू बैठे हैं क्या?
Yes, sir. साथ में ही है सर.
तो उनको गाइड करो ना.
Yes, sir. GCP.
You do one thing. First, you log into that server machine and just let me know. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
Kumar, you share your screen, man. Come back to GCP and you still 2022, not 25. All look same only, but a little bit you have to find the difference. Desktop experience. Okay. They're only selecting. Click on select. That's it. SRV2 balance. Okay. Go to the networking. Select first two checkbox. Oh, Come back to machine configuration. Which one you have selected? Taiwan you selected. Okay, next scroll down. What is the RAM option you selected? 4 GB RAM you have to select. Scroll down. Go to the custom configuration. One processor, 4 GB. One processor. You mentioned 12. 12. We don't need 12 CPU. Okay. 2 CPU. Okay. RAM you mentioned 4 GB. Create. Logging into servers. For the next class, when you are coming tomorrow session, tomorrow you have to create 2 more virtual machine. Those virtual machine you should be login as administrator user account. Today I'll show you how to add. Does my voice is audible? Are you able to hear my voice? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today I'll show you how you need to add the normal client machine to the server machine so that any user can log into any of the computer. Okay. I have shown you one picture. I hope you can see that screen. One time being 1 minute. I'll be sharing my screen. This one you take a photo, mobile photo you take it. This is what we are going to set up now. One more thing, just a minute, I'll add here. This is which site it is? BLR site. BLR means Bangalore. Suppose you are in Mumbai or you are in Delhi or in UP, whichever city, your home city, that is what your site location. Bangalore is my home location. That's the reason I selected BLR. In your, it depends on your point of view. For Gurgaon, you can mention like Gurgaon or GRG. For Delhi, DLH. Anything you prefer it. Whichever is like home site. This is your Bangalore location. Which one is location? Only this part. I will change the shape. Make like a change shape. This is my Bangalore's site. Are you getting my point? Direction arrows. Okay. Then what about this? This is the Bangalore site. And what is that domain it is? It is a Kumar Infotech. I'll make all together in a single one. Bangalore site. What is the domain name? Kumar Infotech. Kumar Infotech. Whichever, kumar.com or whatever you can mention, or like a krishna.com, neiltech.com, whatever. Pharma. Okay. Now that is the domain. And what is the next one? This is called as a domain controller. Domain controller is what? It's a server machine. Server machine installed with ADDS, Active Directory Domain Services. Whichever this one you are finding. For that I will add a color to it so that it will be more easy. These are all client machines. I will add color to it. Okay, this is the server machine. Others, if you take a photo, this is for your reference. What we are going to do it. If done, kindly share your screen, Kumar. And if you are ready with the machine, then only let me know. tomorrow 2 machines, keep it ready.
I am sharing, sir. I am sharing my screen and just
Boss, frankly speaking, I will not guide you how to create a machine, everything. You should be in a ready state. Ready state, what does it mean? You should log into the computer with that user account.
In VM, sir.
In the VM only.
Earlier, I was creating
Ah,
VM as a Krishna admin. We can.
okay. 1 minute, 1 minute, I'm coming.
Okay.
Keep the computer in the login status. Means virtual machine create karna hai. You have to log into that computer with the user account and then let me know. I'll be here.
sir, from where we have to start this? I'm not getting the option of start because this was where.
Hello, sir. Hello, can you hear me? Kumar Swami,
Krishna, just tell
how
me.
are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
More where we get the option
The
of to start.
Praveen sir voice is not heard.
Kumar, where is the option of start in it?
In this one, here is there, na? Go to
Where?
here, compute here. Select here.
This
Click upon
one.
this. Click. There is there. Compute is there.
Which one I have to start?
Windows server. Which one you have created? This one. First to select. Compute is there. Type it. Compute. No, here, you click upon here.
New
Kumar,
project.
are you getting my voice?
Yeah, yeah. You type it here. Compute. COMP.
Where?
Type.
Nothing.
COMP.
COMP.
EOM.
Nothing. Nothing. There is an option to start. I'm not getting the start option.
Here is there. Wait.
In search engine, you type compute engine.
Where?
In search.
Yeah, here, yes. Select here.
Where we have to select?
Here,
Search,
here,
main
compute.
search.
Computer engine.
Select it here.
Yeah.
Compute. Select.
Computer.
Overview. VM instance.
Sorry.
Computer engine.
VM
Yeah, this
instance.
was the.
Compute.
In search, you type direct.
Compute. VM instance.
This one.
In
Search.
search, you type compute engine.
Search that.
In top.
Mm.
Top. In that not. Top.
In top.
Uh,
Yes.
there. Type compute engine.
Computer engine.
Enable service.
Now, what are there?
Yeah.
Now enable service.
Now, what you want to do? You want to create server now? Instance. Go to create instance.
VM mentioned.
Create leave instance.
Tick status.
Status.
Down.
Click.
Down. Start.
Start.
This was the thing that I'm looking for.
Correct.
ಯಾವರ್ಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಂಧ ಮಲಗಿದ್ವಿ ಮಗ್ಗ
Server.
Kumar, copy the external IP or internal IP?
External.
Copy. This one external IP. Copy external IP. Paste it. Okay. Server name. Add. Just here. Connect. Click up on that. Down. No, yeah.
Connect group or connect group as a
Connecting. Password.
Put on cloud password.
No. You do one thing. Go to GCP. Go to GCP. Copy it. Paste. Where? Here. 1 minute. Scroll it here. Scroll it. Come here. RDP is there now. RDP.
Whom I'm
Right
saying?
side.
Yeah, thank you, Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Share the screen, bros.
That means the boss.
Share.
Whose machine it is?
Krishna, sir.
हाँ.
Krishna.
See, you have to log in as more choices. अभी तुम इधर ही हो.
No, sir. We already connected. I'm doing.
Log in as more choices. This is your local user account. Go to the more choices. Use different account. See, whenever you are finding Krishna Saraswat, the desktop hyphen ICE 475 means that is your local machine. Use different account.
Okay.
Then log in as your, what is the username and password you created? Krishna admin. Krishna admin and password. Password you whatever you created. Welcome at 1 or 123 whatever. Kumar, did you create that account?
Here only I'm doing, sir. I'll create in 2 minutes.
Yeah, you are so lazy fellow, man.
No, sir, no. I'm
Already
doing.
Chetan, you are so ಮೇರೆದನಲ್ರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಸರ್. 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾನು ಐಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
Do one thing, you and Chetan work together. Let him, those Sanjay and Krishna will work together, and here Sadik, Satiska will be one team, and Vibha and one more person is when he is joining, I don't know. Or else you take the Vibha in your group and create an account. Hey, boss,
Yes, sir.
listen. You close this. He don't know the password, so he has to reset the password again. Cancel it. Do you remember password, Mister? Who is this? Krishna.
Sir, welcome @12345.
हाँ, वो तो बोलो उसको. अभी हो ही नहीं रहा है. एक काम करो, कैंसिल करो. ओपन दैट जीसी. अभी हम लोग सिर्फ लैब सेटअप करने में हम लोग टाइम निकल जा रहा है. तुम लोग क्या प्रैक्टिस करते नहीं हो क्या? गो बैक टू जीसीपी विंडो. हाँ, next to that RDP drop down is there, no? RDP drop down. हाँ, click over there. Set Windows password. See, make it as like Krishna admin. हटाओ कृष्णा पूरा name हटाओ. Make it like Krishna admin because you should be remember. Otherwise, every time one new account will create. Krishna admin, no Krishna underscore. It's a Krishna admin. Wait करो. Underscore हटाओ उसको. हाँ, set. हाँ गए तुम लोग. हाँ, who is operating here?
Sanjay Singh.
Okay. Click on set and password, that one you copy it. Okay, that's a one-time password. Copy it. Close. Okay. Now go back to that RDC window. Remote desktop. Here you right click and connect. Did you double click? Double click. There only. More choice. Kumar, some mute yourself. Kumar, mute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಅರ್ಧ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ. 1 minute. Who is there? Okay. Continue, boss. Password you paste it here. Mr. Who is this Sanjay Singh?
Yes, sir. Pasting.
पेस्ट करो. पेस्ट करो इधर. क्या टाइप करते बेटे? पेस्ट. कंट्रोल V.
Pinning was, I think.
ये भगवान. हट, उतना बड़ा पासवर्ड.
नहीं सर, एक मिनट.
वहाँ दोबारा कॉपी कर.
डबल कॉपी हो गया सर.
ये काम करो, तुम नोटपैड खोल के उधर पेस्ट करो.
हाँ सर, वही कर रहा हूँ नोटपैड.
क्या यार, हम लोग शुरू में क्लास में लटके हुए हैं. हम लोग आगे जाना है. अभी हम लोग को पूरा देखो 2 महीना ऑलरेडी निकल गया. ए कुमार, डिड यू कंप्लीट द टास्क मैन?
सर यहाँ तो ठीक आ रहा है, वहाँ पे डबल ले.
एक काम करो, फिर से कॉपी करो. डू वन थिंग कुमार, यू शेयर योर स्क्रीन. You just Sanjay log in and do it.
सर ये डबल पेस्ट.
दोबारा करो.
अभी देखो आप वो ये काम करो. अगर सी द टच पैड इज नॉट वर्किंग, टेक वन एक्सटर्नल माउस एंड डू इट. कुमार,
हाँ सर.
instead of Sanjay and IT, give